एमपी का हम फोर्थ पेपर का सिलेबस पहले देखते हैं। फिलॉसफी, साइकोलॉजी एंड पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, यूनिट 1। फिलोसफर्स, थिंकर्स, सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स। सॉक्रेट्स, प्लेटो, एरिस्टोटल, महावीर, बुद्धा, आचार्य शंकर, चारवाक, गुरु नानक, कबीर, तुलसीदास, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, राजा राम मोहन राय, सावित्रीबाई फुले, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, स्वामी विवेकानंद, महर्षि अरविंद एंड सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण। ठीक है, यूनिट 1। यूनिट 2 में क्या क्या है? एटीट्यूड, कंटेंट, एलिमेंट्स, फंक्शन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एटीट्यूड, एटीट्यूडनल चेंज, persuasive communication, prejudice and discrimination, stereotypes, orthodoxy in Indian contents, aptitude and foundational values for civil service, integrity, impartiality and non-partisanship, objectivity, dedication to public service, empathy, tolerance and compassion towards the weaker sections, emotional intelligence concepts, their utilities and application in administration and governance, individual differences. Unit 3rd, human needs and motivation, ethics and values in public administration, ethical elements in governance, integrity, accountability and transparency, ethical reasoning and moral dilemmas, conscience as a source of ethical guidance, code of conduct for civil servants, implementation of higher values in governance. Unit 4th, corruption, types and causes of corruption, effects of corruption, approaches to minimizing corruption, role of society, media, family and whistleblower, United Nations Convention on Corruption, measuring corruption, transparency, international, Lokpal and Lokayuk. Unit 5, case studies based on the contents of the syllabus. Fine. तो ये रहा हमारा फोर्थ पेपर का सिलेबस, राइट। तो अभी जो एग्ज़ाम रिसेंटली हुआ है मेंस का, एमपी का 2019, तो उसका फोर्थ पेपर के क्वेश्चंस हम पढ़ लेते हैं। दिस क्वेश्चन कंटेन्स 15 very short type sub questions. Learn each question, answer each question in maximum 20 words. All questions are compulsory. ठीक है, it is compulsion to attempt. Each question carries 3 marks. तो अब हम आते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वैल्यूज इन गवर्नेंस। नेक्स्ट, डिस्कस पेकुलरिटी ऑफ समंता सुखे ऑफ तुलसीदास। नेम मेजर इंस्टीट्यूशन टू कर्ब करप्शन इन इंडिया। डिस्क्राइब गांधीयन थॉट रिगार्डिंग ट्रूथ एंड गॉड। व्हाट इज ट्रांसपेरेंसी? व्हाट इज Triratna as per Jainism. Discuss ideas of Plato from theological standpoint. What do you mean by non-verbal communication? Discuss thoughts of Swami Dayanand Saraswati about Western education. What is ethical guidance? Write about Transparency International. What three dimensions of emotional intelligence that a civil servant should learn? Write the tools of accountability. Discuss Patitya Samutpada according to Mahatma Buddha. Discuss rights and duties as per Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Next section B में आता है, write the answers of any 15 of the following questions in maximum 15 question in maximum 150 words. Each question carries 6 marks. Why Swami Vivekanand is known for? Elaborate the significance and basic provision of Whistleblower Protection Bill 2015. What is the contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Rai to the society? What are the basic attributes of ethical leadership in administration? Why is having tolerance and compassion towards a weaker section important for a civil servant? Rule of law is an essential component of good governance. Explain. What is the contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the history of free modern India? What are the central civil service conduct rule related to lending, borrowing and private trade? Define corruption and its relation with value system. Enlist legal framework to fight against corruption in India. What are the duties of a king according to Kautilya? What are the methods of removing prejudice? What is the contribution of Dr. Radhakrishnan in the history of philosophy? Clarify the concept of emotional intelligence. Fine. What is the ideal role of ruler? Ruler according to Ramcharitmanas. How aptitude is different from interest and intelligence. What is the importance of non-violence? Discuss the elements involved in the process of communication. Is behavior always a reflection of one's attitude? Explain with the relevant examples. सेक्शन सी में आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4 are based on case studies. Distribution of marks on questions respectively. Question number 3 plus 4 is equal to marks 30 plus 35 equal to 65. Fine. There is an internal option in this question. The answer to the internal option of the candidates is to be made explicitly before the answer. ठीक है. अब ये है केस स्टडीज़. ठीक है. केस स्टडीज़ हम बाद में जब पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे उसके साथ पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. केस स्टडी 1, केस स्टडी ये अगली आ गई केस स्टडी 2. ठीक है. देन केस स्टडी 3. ठीक है. ये यहाँ तक आ गए. इसके क्वेश्चन 4.5 तक ये रहे. ठीक है. सो ये क्वेश्चंस थे हमारे पेपर 4 के. सो दिस मच फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.